How to manage newsletter subscriptions in your Shake Shack account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to control your Shake Shack newsletter, well here is how to manage subscriptions online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search Shake Shack. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Shake Shack. Now here simply log in with your account and once logged in, you can then just click on your profile icon in the top right corner and then select account settings or communication preferences. And from there, you can simply scroll down to newsletter subscriptions where you can toggle which type of emails you want to receive. And there you can choose to subscribe to promotion updates or special offers or unsubscribe entirely if you prefer. So there, make sure to click Save Changes so your preferences are applied to your Shake Shack account. And once you do that, your Shake Shack newsletter will be in your control. And that's it. That's how you can control or manage newsletter subscriptions in your Shake Shack account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.